What is up, everyone? And today I'm going to make a video in a series where I will be making 151 Pokemon total, but in this video we will be making one, which is going to be Pikachu. The supplies you are going to need is some sort of glue just some sort of glue. I'm gonna use rubber cement, and I think that'll work out. And I'm going to use foam today. In other videos, I may use paper or some other material. But for the foam, you would probably want to use a box cutter knife. And if you're wondering where to get this foam, you can get the foam at Walmart.
Three, two, one.
So the colors that you will need are yellow, a light brown preferably, but dark brown is fine. I just chose light brown. Some white for the eyes, red for the cheeks, and black for the ears. So now we are going to begin with the ears of the Pikachu. Okay, so what I did was I basically took the piece of foam, folded it in half, and then traced it, and then I cut it with the box cutter knife into the shape that I wanted. And then I cut the tips while they were together. I think it's better that way. And then used the cut off part to create the black part of the ear. And now I'm gonna put the glue on, and then I'm gonna glue these guys together, and we're gonna let that dry, and then we're gonna move on. Now we are going to make the Pikachu's body. It's a little more difficult if you do it standing up, so I'm gonna do it sitting down. I have an image for reference because sometimes your brain says this is what it looked like and it's not what it looked like. So now we're going to make the body. When I did the Pikachu, things do not always turn out how you want them to, and some of the projects in the future will be better because of the mistakes we make along the way, and that's just one of the things about arts and crafts. So yeah. Well, I'm gonna take the Pikachu out. Got some unfinished I cut out and traced the body, and it does not look like Pikachu right now, but we haven't added the cheeks or the eyes. We haven't added the brown thingy to the tail. We haven't added the tail or the ears. So at the end, it'll look more like Pikachu, but this was a first time thing. So as the series goes on, the process will get better. So I'm going to make the little brown thing for Pikachu's tail. So, don't use rubber cement, actually, because it does not adhere to the foam very well. Adhere means it doesn't stick. It wants to keep curling and coming up. And then I have to use weights and stuff to keep it down. So I've moved to a foam glue that is for foam, so we can finally have this tail, which has been giving me a hard time, finally stick. And I'm giving this Pikachu a white background. Come on. That is so much better. Every 5 seconds I was having to just push it down. This is a lot better. Use foam glue, kids. Learn from my mistakes. So now I'm gonna move on to the cheeks and the eyes. So after, maybe an hour, we can finally say that we're done. this is how he turned out. You want to say hi, Pikachu? Yeah. When I thought I was done, I was like, isn't there a mouth on Pikachu? Always remember to look at your reminders, because I almost gave him, where's the mouth? The silent Pikachu. And, yeah, so, yeah, so it's fun, but it's gonna take you a while. Oh, and you'll need pink too. Get pink. I forgot about the mouth. So, thank you for watching. I know it's been a while, but it's been longer for me. Thanks for watching. This is Emerson, signing off.